Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a high pin on the application of Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve a high pin error or problem, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will search about this window of Roblox, and when you will find it here you will enter. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox, and when you find it you can update your application there on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.